You're welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Operachuma Glory and you're watching Tutorial Extra. So someone said I should also drop the glass 3D logo, and here I am making this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's continue with the video. So today I'll be showing us how to make a 3D glass logo on Pixellab, and I'll go ahead as usual and import my design for the video. This is the design I'll be using. I made this design on Pixellab and there's no tutorial on it for now. So I'll just go ahead and turn on the Emboss, so we'll be sure if we're on the safe side, because I told you that the Emboss is having a problem, and my version is, my Android is Android 9 and it's giving me issue. I haven't been using Pixellab for a while now, so I just had to make this tutorial for persons that are asking for it. You can see we are not on a safer side, so let me see if I reduce it, if it's going to behave. Okay, so now we have reduced it and I'm working with it like this. So all I have to do now is to take this emboss to 58. Okay, and then I'll go to the intensity and get it to 81. Just add 1 to it. Then the specular hardness will be at 75. Okay, then the ambient light will be at 81. Sorry, the ambient light will be at 81, not this, not the ambient light is 81. For then the specular hardness should be the one at 75, because we don't want it to be so sharp. Then the bevel should go back to 2, because this is a glass logo, it's not the wall logo, it's a glass logo, so we don't need much of the bevel on it. So take it to 2. So we're done with this part. Then we'll move over to the shadow, but I prefer we import our background so that any effects we're adding will be seeing the results. So now I've added the background, and then I'll be adding other effects on it. So I'll go to the shadow, then the blur radius should be 7. For the X, we take it to 6, or no, this is too much. -1, no. -6. Then for the Y, let's try 24. No. It should go back or front. No, we should go back, so it's between this range. So I think it's okay at -5. Then you okay it. Then we'll move over to the 3D effect. The oblique looks like this, and the perspective looks like this. The oblique gives it more of a 3D shape, but this effect is going to be very fine in the wall logo. So we'll go back to the perspective, and then the depth we'll be taking it to 4. Or 6 is somehow okay. Let's go with 6. Then the darken, we'll darken it to our taste. think this is okay. This is okay by me. Then the X rotation should take it to something like -2. No, it's too. Okay, let's leave it at -11. So for the Y rotation, we take it to let's check this way. And 22. I think the 22 is okay. Then for the Z axis, we don't need the Z axis for this glass logo. So now we have to touch this up. So we'll be going over to our psToch app. So as usual, I'll take a screenshot of it because of my emboss. If I save it, this is what I'll be having. Let's try saving it. Let's try it with the default. Save. So let's see what we have in our gallery. This is what I had in my gallery, so I'll go ahead with the one I screenshotted. So this is the psToch app, Adobe Photoshop Touch, and then I'll go ahead and import the logo I designed, which is on screenshots. So you tap on this plus here close to the logo showing and add another layer. I'll be dropping the resources in the description, so you can just go to my description and get it for yourself. So I'll be using these lights, and then I'll go ahead and increase. No, this is what I should increase. So okay, and then we tap on layer here. You go to this place you're seeing normal, tap on it, and then you change it to multiply. You can see the difference. Or you can equally change it to overlay, then you adjust it. Or if this one is not nice for you, you just go ahead and delete this one, then import another one. Then I'll do the same thing. Tap on multiply. See the difference? If you're not okay with that effect, you go to not lighting. This is lighting. This is screen. This is darken. Normal. So you can just choose this overlay if you want to. Okay, after selecting a color like this and you're okay with it, you tap on this layer again, then you go to this palette and then you get another color which you can adjust to your taste. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and then we are done with this design. So when designing yours, just design according to your taste. So now we have to save this to our gallery. All you have to do, because you're not seeing anything like a save icon or a save button, all you have to do is tap on the back, then you see save project, save a copy, don't save. Just tap on save, and then you come to this up section. Then you will see an arrow sign showing exports, and you see the file icon, copy icon, and all that. So what you have to do now is tap on the file, the export, tap on save to gallery, and you choose your PNG or JPEG. Then you tap on the logo, and then you see OK, then you tap on OK, and it's going to automatically save to your gallery. So if you watch this video to the end, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself and stay blessed. Bye.